a world filled with endless choices, I found comfort and simplicity, particularly when it came to my wardrobe. For the past 5 years or so, I have adopted a minimalist approach, opting to wear almost exclusively black clothing. All solid colors and no pattern. I know it may seem dull and boring, but it's incredibly straightforward. And why black, you might ask? Well, it all started with a desire to streamline my daily routine. Like many others, I found myself spending too much time overthinking what to wear each day. Enter the concept of a uniform, a consistent ensemble that eliminates decision fatigue and frees up mental space for more important tasks. Fit, comfort, and versatility are important considerations when choosing clothes. Every time I shop for clothes, I make sure to try them on and assess their fit. I move around in them so I know they're comfortable. Sizing varies between brands, and even within the same brand, the fit can be very different from one style to another. Sticking to a single color and avoiding patterns allows for versatility to be mixed and matched with various pairings and outfits. Inspired by visionaries like Steve Jobs and Mark Zuckerberg, who famously adhered to a signature look, I decided to follow suit. Black became my go-to color for its versatility and timeless appeal. Now let me walk you through my current lineup. So I've got a total of 4 pairs of pants. First up, I've got these 2 identical pairs from Uniqlo. They are the wide fit pleated pants, super comfortable with a 2-way stretch fabric that's perfect for almost any occasion. What's neat about them is they've got these handy drawstrings for adjusting the fit and elastic waist that makes changing outfits easy. Plus they are made from wrinkle resistant material, so they're easy to care for and eco-friendly too, being made from recycled materials. And this other pair is from a store called GU. They've got a wider silhouette and more laid back look thanks to the soft jersey fabric. Sadly, they don't make these anymore, but I've worn them so much that the color is starting to fade. Definitely been a staple in my wardrobe. These ones I've got on right now are my go-to Ultra Stretch Dry EX tapered pants from Uniqlo. They give me 360-degree stretch for all-day comfort with lightweight, high-performance material. Whether I'm running errands, walking the dog, hitting the gym, or even traveling or going for a run or a hike, they've got me covered. Alright, moving on to my t-shirts. I currently own a total of 4 in my wardrobe. Including the one I'm wearing right now, I've got these 2 identical ones from GU. They're oversized loose-fitted shirts that have drop shoulders for that relaxed look. They are pretty similar to the very popular Uniqlo U Airism oversized crewneck t-shirt. Both are comfy with a smooth cotton-like fabric. The GU one feels even lighter. I'm really liking these little details, the slits on the side that make moving around easier, and the seam on the fabric adds a sleek look. Next, if you lived in San Francisco or been here, you know our climate is mild, with even summer days sometimes chilly. Long sleeves are essential in my wardrobe. I have 2 of these shirts, including the one I'm wearing now from GU. They are basically the long sleeve version of the t-shirts I had on earlier. Then I've got a cardigan, basic oversized sweatshirts from Muji, and a crewneck sweater also from Muji. I don't wear the cardigan too often, but it's a great layering piece for fancier dinner type of occasions or for that put together look, perhaps. If you're curious about sizing, I usually opt for a large size for these tops. For year-round wear, I have 3 jackets in total. This one's from GU. It serves as a reliable outer layer, protecting me from wind and rain. The zipper is smooth. I like this jacket's high neck and also the fact that it has plenty of pockets for convenience. Being a single layer, it is lightweight and it's great for mild weather. This versatile piece has a hidden hood around the neckline, perfect for those unexpected rain showers. It's a thin piece of material that neatly tucks away, but it's been a lifesaver when I don't have my umbrella. I also have this casual zip-up hoodie from Uniqlo, perfect for running errands, hiking, and hitting the gym. For the winter month, I rely on this trusty down jacket. I've had it for almost 3 years and it's never let me down. The materials feel soft, especially around my neck. I wear this just about anywhere in the winter. I've also taken it to trips to Japan during cold month and even wore it in Chicago during those intensely cold days. I appreciate the versatility of this jacket, especially with the easily removable hood. Without the hood, it takes on a more polished look. Lastly, for working out, I have 5 t-shirts and 3 pairs of shorts. And that's about it. And here's all the breakdown of all the pieces I currently own. I also have a few seasonal items, underwear and bags and so on that I store them in a single drawer unit inside my small closet. Let me show you what I have and how I store them next. In the top drawer, I relocated my laptop and desktop accessories here since I've let go of my personal desk. Now I use my office desk, shared desk, or usually dining table to work. I also keep my journal handy in here. Second drawer is dedicated to my underwear stash, including some Uniqlo heat-tech undershirts for colder days. Next, I have one set of pajamas. Onto the next drawer, I keep my gym wear, t-shirts, and shorts all nicely rolled. This is an easy method to fold and store clothes. Instead of stacking, I roll them up for easy access and minimal wrinkles. Oh, I have one patterned shorts. These are my only swimwear I currently own. Again, easy, quick rolling and storing. Moving down, I've got some loungy clothes, including shorts for warmer days. Don't you love how quick and easy it is to put away clothes? I also keep seasonal wear like this pair of gloves. And of course a drawer for a very few of my bags I own, and I also keep my sunglasses handy, especially for travels, right next to my bag. After decluttering and reducing the number of books and magazines I own, I've tucked away a few books in this drawer. Lastly, some tech accessories including a laptop stand and this protective bag for my MacBook. And that's pretty much how I've optimized my small closet space with only regularly used pieces. Nice and simple. With a closet full of black tops and bottoms, dressing became a breeze. No more worrying about color coordination or weather appropriate outfits. Just effortless style, day in and a day out. And the benefit didn't stop there. Packing for trips has become so much easier as I no longer had to think about packing multiple outfits or worrying about clashing colors. And when it comes to actually packing, my routine is pretty simple. I always start by neatly arranging my pants, ensuring the straight edge aligns with both the top or the bottom of the suitcase to minimize wrinkles effectively. Next, I pack rolled up tops, socks, and underwear. This not only saves space but also keeps them easily accessible and less prone to wrinkling. I wrap the rolled up clothes with the leftover fabric of the pants to maintain their wrinkle-free state. Once my clothing is sorted, I use the remaining space in the suitcase for essentials like toiletries and other stuff like phone charging cables and AirPods. Thanks to my friend who told me about using the reminders app on my phone, I usually create a packing list to ensure I have everything I need. Do you do this too? And I include this little easy to travel with shaver also. With my trusty assortment of black clothing, I am ready for any adventure, whether it be business or leisure. Since I started decluttering last year, I've let go of almost 80% of my possessions, including clothes. Not everything in my closet gets used often. Choosing outfits is easier, and I can get out the door quicker, feeling confident in my intentionally curated wardrobe. So here's to embracing simplicity, one black outfit at a time. With a minimalist wardrobe, I have not only streamlined my daily routine, but also found a newfound appreciation for the beauty of simplicity in an increasingly complex world. If you're looking to streamline your wardrobe, I hope this video gave you some inspiration. But wait, there is an exciting update to my story. Last month, I took a trip to Seoul and I made a significant change to my all-black wardrobe after consulting a color analyst. I found a suitable color palette for me, and I'm thrilled to share the changes I made, the benefits I've experienced, and the entire journey. So stay tuned for updates. Thanks again for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.